This is Andy.
This is Josie.
And this is
The Josie and Andy Show.
We just made a video, but we're gonna make another one.
Yeah, we are. Because my mom isn't here yet, and it's not on.
No, it's not plugged in.
Hold on. That's right. I don't know what this goes.
Super Mac 18 is our hero.
Oh, yeah.
Besides Bieber.
Don't we look like models?
It's so hard. We have some good times. We have some good times here at the house with the place and the, you know.
It looks like I'm wearing lipstick.
Weren't you?
I left it off.
Here, plug the thingy back in.
What thing? Oh, I took the lamp off.
Duh.
I don't know which one it is.
The one with the plug. Just kidding.
That one?
No. Yep.
I did it. I'm not gonna touch it this time.
Watch it like fall out and burn you.
That would be terrible.
I said it funny and you said terrible. That
True
would be
statement.
But
So yeah.
if you want to get serious, let's get serious. Combs. They're like the thing. Stash combs.
I got a staff comb. Hello.
We're listening to rap. Who is it right now?
So yeah.
I love Super Mac.
Yep.
Super Mac 18, you better look him up right now. That's SUPERMAC 18.
And like, yeah, if you
Like
haven't
the
heard of
number.
him, then
Go look him
you
up
crazy.
right now.
Where you living? Up in down
Like,
in
down in the place?
Antarctica or something?
The place with the not.
You got a computer?
place?
If you got if you're watching this, you have a computer, a commuter.
A meaner.
You have a computer, so you should know who it is because
You do. It's true.
he's pretty cool. And anyway, so yeah, like I said, hopefully we'll be making more videos like super soon.
Like this week.
Yeah, but not today because I have to go.
You got to go.
Gats.
Cause girl, I will cut you. Yes, I will. I will cut you. With my scissors.
Skizzer.
Edward Scissorhands. We have fun.
Okay, so yeah, comment,
Rate.
subscribe,
Tell
your
your friends.
friends.
Party on.